Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and for our today's video, I'm gonna share to you how you can earn certifications online for free para makapag-upskill kayo ng mga skills ninyo. So I have two sites na nagamit na before, which is I got certifications. I took QuickBooks, Xero, and some project management courses for Excel. So ayun nga guys, these two sites guys are free, and you can get free certification. So my two recommended website na you can get free certification is Coursera and Xero. So kung gusto mong mag-learn or mag-upskill para sa professional career ninyo, you can try this one. And they also offer degrees, masteral, and so on. Pero yun yung may mga bayad na syempre. But if you just want certifications, you can try this one. So, as you can see here guys, ito yung mga courses na ina-offer nila. Merong Google AI, Google Data Analytics, Google Project Management. Meron din silang iba pa, depende kung ano yung gusto nyong itry. So, as you can see, may free trial. Hindi siya 100% free. You can use it or you can try their 7-day trial. And then after that, kasi may bayad na. So make sure na tapusin niyo yung mga courses niyo within those days para makapag-earn ng certification. And you can also add those certification kung meron kayong LinkedIn, or you can also add it on your resume or CV. So ito yung guys yung mga pwede nyong matutunan. Like ito, bookkeeping. So if you want to learn bookkeeping, so I have two sites, which is the first one is this Coursera, and then meron pa yung Xero. So depende pa rin guys kung saan nyo siya gagamitin. If it's an Australian client, they usually use Xero, and then QuickBooks kapag US. Anyway guys, ayan, so if you try for example to click this one, ayan, so ito yung mga courses na pwede nyong itry. And enroll for free start July 25. So you can try this one guys. Make sure to finish it on time para makakuha kayo ng free certification. So if you're gonna check here, nakapag-complete na tayo dito. Like for this one, I tried create a project management tracker using Microsoft Excel. And then you can also try to add it to your LinkedIn. So if you want to try this one guys, just click join for free, and then you can log in via Google, Facebook, or Apple. And ayan nga guys, so makikita nyo na lahat ng mga skills na gusto nyong malaman. You can click explore, ayan, earn professional certificate here. If you want about business, computer science, data science, you can also earn online degree here, like bachelor's degrees, masteral degrees, or postgraduate programs. So, nandito na lahat yan, guys. But this one, guys, is may bayad, since parang nag-aaral ka talaga online. So, you can check this out, guys, kasi nga, libre lang yung certification nila for the first 7 days. So, as you can see, last year pa ako nag-try dito. And if you click this one, I get another free trial. So, minsan, nagbibigay sila ng another free trial. So, take advantage of that, guys. And then, the second one that I can recommend is the Xero. I used Xero before to get certification on Xero. So, if you want to learn about bookkeeping or learning their tools, you can try them. Just go to the learning.central.com, or I'll just put the link on our description box. And then, click the learn. And eto guys, yung mga courses nila. So, ito yung mga topics about Learn Xero, Learn HubDoc, Xero Expenses. So, matututo ka talaga dito ng about accounting. So, yung mga terms nila, malalaman nyo yan, like yung mga invoices, mga expenses, payrolls, and so on. To get the certification, guys, ayan, meron silang L1 Xero Associate Certification, and then L2, and meron sila ngayong L3. So, I haven't tried this one, pero tapos na ako sa L1 and L2. And meron na ako certifications sa dalawang to. So, if you want to try, for example, this Associate Certification, ayan, makikita nyo, tapos na siya. And I can try recertification dito. Like, for example, meron kasi siyang expiry. So, like, you can try it again for after a year. You just have to get or to take this certification. So, hindi mo na kailangan ulitin yung courses na to para makapag-take ulit at ma-refresh yung inyong certificate. So dito guys, pwede kayong mamili if you want yung self-paced lang or yung via webinar. So you have two options. So kung ano yung feeling nyo, mas madali kayong matututo, just choose. Pero ako, nag-take ako ng self-paced nila. By the way guys, you can use this Xero for free trial then for 30 days to get the certification. So, ayan nga guys. So, this is the two recommended platform that you can try to get your certifications online. So, hindi nyo na kailangang bumili ng mga courses sa iba, and at the same time, these two sites are legit since this certification in Xero are really the platform of Xero. So, yung tool na Xero mismo, sila yung nagbibigay ng certifications. And then sa Coursera naman, kilala sila for getting certifications then online. And very trusted na sila kasi matagal na talaga sila dito. And at the same time, you can link your certificate kung meron kayong LinkedIn. So you can both link this to certifications. So if you're looking for a platform or a way for you to get certification, you can try these two platforms or website, and you can start your upskilling. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. I hope marami kayong natutunan on this one. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, Honey Maristella, and see you in the next one.